I'm Romy Owens, and I'm the artist responsible for this project. Under Her Wing Was the Universe, which is located in Enid, Oklahoma. I've been working on this for a couple of years now, fundraised from people all over the state, all over the country. In fact, $250,000 to make this possible. And it's a really beautiful tribute to those who have come before us and to those who will follow in our paths. Under Her Wing Was the Universe is this pavilion, this really large pavilion that you see, and it's situated on a 2.5 acre plot of land that exists in a floodplain, so it's not usable for any businesses or residences. It can't have plumbing or any of those kinds of things that make a structure usable. And so it's ideal for public art like this so that people can come and enjoy it without it risking property or anything. Everything's been designed to withstand flood or drought, and it's been a really exciting project to work on. Right now, we're at a place where we're doing the concrete path. I've got a team here in Enid called Youth Build, so it's teenagers 17 to age 22 who are working on the path. When that's finished, we'll start landscaping the entire site into a restored native prairie with grasses, flowers, and trees that are native to Oklahoma. And then after all of that is finished, over the top of this pavilion will be an overlay of cable that will be stretched into a spectrum. So it's a really interesting thing to observe from outside, but it's also something that you can observe from inside. And then the final detail that happens on this site is underneath the pavilion will be 1,000 little starlights that will shine at night. So it has daytime and nighttime appeal. I anticipate that this will be finished in the spring of 2020, and so I hope that people will come to Enid and visit and see what a charming community we have here, and stay a night in our new hotel and come and see all of the different art and cultural events that Enid has to offer.